today we're doing the pizza challenge.
Woohoo, pizza! Alright, I got my ingredients here. Onion, tuna, banana, golden syrup, cheese spread, and Milo. He's got his ingredients over here. Crunchy things that I really have no idea what are. Pepper, Ovaltine. You guys may have heard of that. Mayo, one thing with sherbet. We did in the sherbet challenge. We had one left over. Some vanilla essence and some barbecue sauce. So we're gonna put our ingredients on this. We've got a spoon each, but I'm going to need a knife. So yeah, we're gonna get that, and then we'll be right back.
You're gonna get it.
We're gonna be able to cut that now. See, whatever you think, I don't need it. Do you anything you need to cut?
No. Mine's just plop on there. Mine's mainly sauces. Mine has two sauce things. Mine's powder sauces and liquid. Yeah, liquid, powder.
Okay, guys, we're back. Woo! Time to do the pizza challenge. I got a plate and a knife for the onion, and a spoon to get stuff out, like the other stuff. And I'm gonna place this down. My pizza is this one here. Wait, no, that's the pizza which is his, which I'm putting all the stuff on. That pizza is mine, which he is putting all the stuff on. That's how it works. I'm gonna place that down there, and then we're gonna start.
Okay, first.
Starting off with my tuna.
Starting off with my Ovaltine.
Ovaltine. I'm putting heat on. I'm just opening up my tuna. I'm gonna start off with my Milo.
Yuck. I just ate some.
Why? Don't. Not yet.
It's my pizza. Well, your pizza. I paid for.
Yeah, don't eat it.
Oh my god.
Keep getting mayo on it. Oh my god. That is disgusting. I'm going to put my onion on now. Yeah, onions are so hard to open. Yeah, I'm a boss. Alright.
Stop! Put some on the lid.
Okay, I'm going to cut just one little slice, one thin slice of beautiful, delicious onion. Jokes, I hate onion.
I wanted the onion, but he took the onion.
Yeah, he's going to put it on my one, but I got it for him. There we go, some roots of onion.
Okay, some barbecue sauce.
Now I'm going to put on the banana. Banana's a very old banana. That's why I put it on.
Going to put some of these big things on.
These pizzas are going to be weird.
I know, it already looks disgusting.
Okay, now I'm going to put
my pepper on.
I'm going to put some of the cheese spread on. Hello, Daddy. Sorry. I'm going to put some cheese on,
Some pepper.
just cheese spread. It should be good.
Mine's just pepper. Okay, the sherbet. That's the last ingredient other than the vanilla essence.
I'm putting on his, what do you call it?
Liquid.
Liquid, oh yeah. Golden syrup, not maple. Golden syrup is disgusting to me.
Okay.
Then I'm going to put on some tuna now.
I'm going to get
Some delicious, yummy, mouth-watering tuna. He's just getting something.
no.
I love tuna.
I'm not going to use that.
So pizza. My pizza's done.
Okay.
These are only mini pizzas for a reason.
So we have to eat the whole pizza?
Mhm.
Not the pizza we created.
No, we're eating each other's pizzas.
Okay. Oh my god, that looks horrible. That's mine done.
Okay, these are done.
That looks like vomit.
That's the one for him. Looks disgusting. And that one there is what I've got to eat. God, I'm gonna vomit. Okay, we're gonna put these in the oven over there, and then we'll